Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia T20 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to actually open and activate the developer options because usually they are blocked in let's say in regular devices. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Tablet. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and find the build number. Here we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you can see this information, just go back to the general settings, tap on the system, and here let's enter the advanced. And as you can see right here, we've got the developer options, so simply enter. And all we have to do right now is to simply find the option which is called automatic system updates, which is in my case turned off. So if we want to turn it on, we have to just tap on the switcher, and since it looks like it means that we just successfully turned on this option, so our device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So actually you do not need to do anything manually. Of course you can turn it off in the same way if you want to, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Nokia T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.